To remove the fabrics from the MyFit, start by loosening the harness by pressing on the harness release button and pulling out on both of the harness straps. Then unbuckle the chest clip and the harness buckle and remove the shoulder pads. If your MyFit has comfort waist belt pads, remove those as well. Next, push the fabric tab through the slot on the back of the harness buckle and pull it through the front to remove the crotch strap pad. Press the orange button located on the bottom edge of the cup holder and lift up to remove the cup holder. Repeat for the other side. Now pull the fabric up and around the front and side of the seat and thread the crotch strap down through the fabric. Then pull the fabric around the harness adjuster strap cover. With the headrest in the highest position, locate the elastic strap on the back of the headrest and unhook by pulling it on the fabric tab. Repeat this step for the other elastic strap. Pull back gently on both of the plastic tabs at the top of the headrest and pull up on the headrest fabric. Now remove the headrest fabric. Unhook the elastic straps on the back of the MyFit on each side and pull the fabric out from the groove. Unhook the elastic straps from the hooks located inside the vehicle belt path and repeat on the other side of the seat. Undo the snaps that attach the armrest fabric to the backrest seat pad and remove the backrest seat pad. Now, unhook the armrest fabric loop from the side hook located near the vehicle belt path to remove the armrest fabric. Repeat for the other side. Fabrics may be hand-washed with mild soap and water or machine-washed in cold water on delicate cycle using mild detergent. To replace the fabrics of the MyFit, slide the armrest fabric sleeves onto each armrest and hook the armrest fabric loop onto the side hook located near the vehicle belt path. Ensure each sleeve is tucked behind the booster mode belt path. Now, place the headrest fabric pad onto the headrest and tuck the fabric into the groove at the top of the headrest. Ensure the fabric does not obstruct the orange shoulder belt guide. Push down gently on the plastic tabs at the top to snap them into the grooves. Now, with the headrest in the highest position, hook the elastic straps onto the back of the headrest on each side. If necessary, use your index finger to guide the elastic loop onto the hook. Place the backrest seat pad around the MyFit and tuck the fabric into the groove. Hook the elastic strap onto the back and repeat on the other side of the seat. Then hook the elastic straps onto the side and top hooks located inside the vehicle belt path and repeat on the other side of the seat. Now, snap the armrest fabric to the backrest seat pad on each side. Place the seat bottom fabric onto the MyFit and pull the fabric around the harness adjuster strap cover. Pull the crotch strap through the fabric and pull the fabric down and around the front and sides of the seat. Ensure the fabric is tucked behind the booster mode belt path. Match the R and L for right and left cup holders to their corresponding side of the MyFit relative to the seated child, and insert each cup holder as shown. Make sure they click into place. Now slide the harness buckle up through the crotch strap pad and push the fabric through the slot on the front of the harness buckle. Pull the tab out and back to secure it. Reattach each shoulder pad. Ensure they are oriented as shown. If your MyFit has comfort waist belt pads, replace them on both sides of the harness waist belt as shown.